Hi, everybody. This is Ian Lamont, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to log into more than one Twitter account at once from a browser. If this video helps, please take a moment to like and follow the channel, and let's get started with Twitter. Here is one of my Twitter accounts, and what I want to do is log into a second Twitter account at the same time. You can actually do this in the browser-based version of Twitter. Go to the lower left corner where it says, here it says Easy Genie Genealogy. Click on that, and then select Add an Existing Account. You'll be prompted to sign into Twitter. Now, I always use the email or the phone or the username version, so the name of the Twitter account is actually the name of my publishing company, In 30 Minutes. Click on Next. This browser already remembers the password. I'm not going to click on the I icon because I don't want to show everybody my password, and then I'm going to click in Log In. And depending on where you're logging in, you might be asked other questions about your account. You might be sent some sort of code on your phone. But basically what I've done is I've logged into the second account. And by the way, the other account is still there. If you click on in30minutes.com, you can see I can switch to this account just by clicking on that. For more information on how to get the most out of Twitter, I've written a book about it, available from in30minutes.com. And also, if this video helped, if you could like it and follow me on YouTube. I have lots of videos about Twitter, about Google, about Microsoft, about all kinds of mildly complex topics. That's what I've built my company around. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Ian signing off.